Welcome to my YouTube channel, Cryptothone. If you're into cryptocurrency tips and tricks, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated with my latest videos. Also, don't forget to follow me on Telegram for more exclusive content. The link is in the description below. Today, we're flipping another Coinchance card, and I'll walk you through the process. If you find this video helpful, share it with your friends so they can learn how to crack the cards as well. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting content.